हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।
Hello viewers, today we are going to talk about a piece of very heart-wrenching news which broke many eminent personalities of the United States of America. Just a few years back, on 30th of May 2015, Joseph Robinette Biden has died, who was a very popular American politician, lawyer and officer in the army, judge, advocate, journalist, corps. When the news of his sudden demise has arrived, several people in the United States can't stable their mind situation, as he was actually truly devoted to the country and willing to do something great for the locals. Today, the searches to find Beau Biden's case of death has been increased. In 2015, he created his vast empire with his own efforts and talent. He was well educated and vast in some specific skills. Currently, his father, Joe Biden, ruling the powerful country in the world, the United States. Beau Biden was the eldest of 3 children from the marriage of the current president, Joe Biden, and his first wife, Nelia Hunter Biden. He was born on 3rd February 1969 and he served as the 44th Attorney General of Delaware and was a major in the Delaware Army National Guard. Talking about his death condition and issues, Beau Biden faced brain surgery in 1988 for 2 aneurysms. Even after the surgeries, he was suffering from glioblastoma, a type of cancer that becomes the real cause of death of Joe Biden's son, Beau Biden. The brain cancer from Biden's suffering is very common, and some other reputed politicians has also the same type of cancer. The names of the politicians are John McCain and Ted Kennedy. Beau Biden was succumbed to the disease and left everyone in this world. When the incident happened, everyone in the family was very shocked and faced a very tough time that wrenching their hearts. Recently, Joe Biden cited late son Beau Biden in a statement to explain Afghanistan withdrawal. He said, "Maybe it's because my deceased son Beau served in Iraq for a full year before that. Well, maybe it's because of what I have seen over the years as a senator, vice president and president traveling these countries. Many continuously remembering him because he was actually a very great man with positive thinking who was willing to do the best for everyone in any situation. Our best wishes to the President of the United States, Joe Biden and his family. For more updates, keep visiting our channel and do subscribe. Thank you.